I've been looking forward to this set since it was announced. I got an early release of it, and it is Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Lego set, and I just unboxed it, and I was thinking you might like to see what all this involved. So it turns out it's into 3 separate builds. Build 1 looks like the bank house. Build 2 looks like the main residence. And build 3 is this pretty graveyard scene. So build 1 is 6 bags. Build 2 is bags 7 through 13. And then finally the graveyard is bags 14 through 16. It also came with the moon, some stickers, and I imagine that is part of the bank building. I haven't actually opened it yet, so I am going to slowly build this, starting with bag 1 and working my way through. It looks to be an awesome set, and I'm going to have it done by Halloween, so it's a Halloween through Christmas display. If you have the opportunity, go ahead and take a look at it on the Legos website and build it if you wish. Thanks for watching.